Hey, hey, hey! Welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining me. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below. I thought I was recording everything I was doing earlier this morning, like taking the dog to the bed, having breakfast, preparing breakfast, and my famous smoothie or juice. But none of that was captured. But I will take you along with the rest of my day's activity. I baked this cake yesterday and I'm gonna take it to my friend's flat and we're gonna have tea and catch up. She's visiting from another state in Mexico and we haven't seen each other for maybe 2 years or 2.5 years. So we're gonna catch up today. Schedule the Uber, so I'm going downstairs. Traveling cake, traveling cake. With Fateme. I haven't seen her for 2 years and change, we say, and we're here catching up, chatting a bit, but those are the secrets we can't share. Okay.
Great.
Thank you. Oh, we have rose petal icing that I made with a little bit of rose water and glass sugar. So I used all-purpose flour, almond flour, and coconut flour, rose water, egg, and that's it in the oven for 50 minutes and out. I hope you enjoy.
This is important.
Nice.
These are made by little Afghanistani children, immigrants in Iran, who are not, who don't have the right to receive an education in the country. So this is from them, by them, in an underground school.
Okay, wow.
Yeah. Let me take a picture with my phone.
I hope you enjoy it. I hope it tastes good. I hope it's not too sweet. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, take a picture of me.
Your phone picture takes really good picture. Okay, ready? Steady?
And let me make a wish. I'm gonna say my wish out loud.
Wait, it looks, if you cut it, it feels like it's hard, like how you're forcing it to go down with the knife.
No.
I started worrying like that. It's
No, it's perfect.
okay. I use it in what do you call it? I use it when I bathe. I use it on my face.
And everything. Even perfume.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is yours or is it mine?
Mine. Obviously mine.
Listen. So
We put it in tea.
I have rose petal. The rose petal I use for tea.
Yeah.
So I was like, if I use it for
We
tea,
get the petals in Iran and like the
oh
flowers.
my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it.
Right in the market. Yeah, I saw it at my mom's kitchen. I was like, I'm taking it.
You did not. You did not. I went to a place called Jerusalem in Roma.
Let me guess, it's from Israel? Israeli immigrants?
And so the tea, because I love tea.
Yeah.
And so I usually go walk. Wow.
I love it. And so it would be a
quick snack. Steak and the flautas. Bum, ba-da-dum. I'm about to leave this beautiful woman's house. She had educated me and shared so much. Oh, those are for my ears only. Got home from taking the dogs and there was an earthquake, and right as I got to the door I just had to turn back. It's like memories of 4 years ago on a Friday night watching a movie and the alarm went off and the house was shaking. Wow. Can I say stay positive and think on possibility? Can I end on a note like this? I think I can. So I'm gonna leave you with that. Stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video. Have a wonderful night, have a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Bye.